Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON M5. In this video I'll show you how to assign game profile to your mouse. In the beginning, let's go to KEYCHRON Launcher app. Select Profile 1 and find Select Mode. You can select certain game as the profile of the mouse. Confirm, and it's done. You can also change profile icon. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.